As you guys can see by the title, this is a get ready with me. I missed it. I missed sitting here talking to you guys like that. I uploaded my Saturday video already, but this video for Eid, that is tomorrow. The Muslims in Pakistan are going to be celebrating their Eid tomorrow. Some of you might be celebrating your Eid today, so happy Eid Mubarak to everybody out there who are, and Chandat Mubarak to all the Muslims. I'm going to be sharing you 2 naila designs which are really easy and you can just do it under 5 minutes. If you guys want to know what I'll be wearing tomorrow, then just do not forget to add me on Snapchat. One more thing guys, it is not necessary to use every color that is in your dress. This is going to be a soft neutral makeup, no glam, no nothing. But if you guys want to change up some colors and go a bit glam, want to go a bit more smoky, then just do it. If you guys want to know how I achieve this makeup look, then just keep on watching. I think I've rambled a lot. Let's just get into the video now. guys like this video, give this video a big pat. Come on, seriously. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to follow me on my Snapchat and Instagram. Before going, happy Eid Mubarak to... I'm sorry guys. Before going, happy Eid Mubarak. To those who don't know what Eid is basically a celebration that is done after Ramadan. But if you guys want to know the facts about Ramadan, I'm going to link that down below. Go and check it out and learn more about Ramadan. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Allah Hafiz. Fi amanillah.